Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus, where we can dive into the forecast just a little bit deeper, 24 hours a day right here on CBS19.tv. Allergy index today. Tree pollen, none in the grain bins, none in the grass. On the grass count, weeds also showing up as a 0. But the mold spores today were in the moderate zone. So if you had some maybe postnasal drip the last couple of days, that's because the mold spores were headed up. Of course, after yesterday's rain, that is understandably so. Hey, check this out. Titus County has joined the burn ban list, so now just Franklin and Lamar counties in East Texas and Northeast Texas are not in a burn ban. Everywhere else, we have burn bans all across East Texas, and these will go on for the foreseeable future. This is until further notice, because we just don't have a lot of rain. We don't have any systems in the tropics that would bring us a soaking rain. There are no prospects of soaking rain in the next 7 to 10 days. In fact, through the end of the month, there's probably the chance to pick up less than a ½ inch of rainfall. Weekend doesn't look bad. If you like nice weather, nice summer weather, hot but not oppressively humid weather, you get that this weekend. Hot and humid, 99 on Saturday, Sunday 103 as it's trending dry now, with a front stalling to our north. Morning low Sunday around 77. Sunday afternoon's high about 103. Here's what I mean by kind of nice. Comfortable in the humidity readings for summer, relatively speaking. And when I say that, we look at the dew point numbers, and the higher that dew point number goes, the more humid it feels. Well, over the weekend, it could be in the lower 60s or even upper 50s. So that's comfortable for summertime heat. And that's where we'll be until about late Sunday afternoon. Then it starts to creep up, and you'll feel that humidity Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, until a front moves into the area Thursday, and it could drop that humidity back down to the comfortable to somewhat humid range by the end of the week. So right in here, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we may find ourselves with some heat advisories, maybe even Monday, but more likely Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and I'll show you why here in just a second. So here's what to expect. Great summer weather weekend ahead. Humidity increases next week, and new heat advisories may be needed by the time we roll around to Tuesday. In terms of future skycasts, wake up tomorrow, southerly breeze, and it is a breezy day tomorrow. It's a summer breeze out of the south at about 10 to 15 miles an hour, but overall not a bad start to the day. Deep East Texas all the way down to the Gulf Coast, a few rain showers. Saturday afternoon looks mostly sunny. A couple of isolated pop-up showers are possible. That chance is about 20% or less. Sunday morning, we have this little wave that comes down from the northeast. So again, a couple of light rain showers or maybe a pop-up thunderstorm over Deep East Texas by Sunday afternoon. And then Monday, this little front tries to push in here, but notice that it stalls. So there's about a 20% chance of rain on Monday. And that is it until we get to Thursday. And then we start to see some slightly higher rain chances. So 20% chance on Monday, 40% chance of rain next Thursday with a frontal boundary moving into northeast Texas and parts of East Texas. If it can push all the way south of Interstate 20, then more of us will see some rain. And here's what I mean by that. You'll see a couple of just brief showers. There's Monday's little rain chance, and then Thursday, there it is. It pushes down to about Interstate 20, so I'd say anywhere from just south of I-20 northward, you have a chance of rain with better chances for rain and thunderstorms closer to Interstate 30. And again, these are not drought busting or burn ban ending kind of rainfalls. These are just showers, thunderstorms, some gusty winds, though possible with those on Thursday. Anytime in the summertime you have high-based thunderstorms, you can create some strong downdrafts in the order of about 50 to 60 miles an hour, and they're fairly isolated. It's kind of what happened back on Thursday. All right, overnight tonight, mainly clear. Notice how comfortable it'll be tonight. These are seasonal low temperatures. 73 at Mount Pleasant, 73 at Linden, Pittsburgh around 75. Also 75 at Tyler and Gilmer, maybe around 76 at Longview, Henderson, Jacksonville, Palestine, all at 75 under clear skies. Pretty typical mid-July type weather. Deep East Texas down into the lower 70s. Just takes all night to get there, so it'll be somewhat warm throughout the evening and parts of the overnight hours. Saturday, we start off with temperatures in the mid-70s, but look how fast we warm up. 9 a.m. temp, 82, 10 a.m. temp, 85. Can we make it up to 100 degrees? I think we'll fall just short. With a south wind and a few clouds in the afternoon, high temperatures should top out somewhere around 98 to 99 degrees. In fact, as we take a look at some of the counties closer to Interstate 30, Morris County, Titus County, Franklin County, Camp County, you're in the upper 90s, about 98 to 99 degrees. Closer to I-20 from Harrison County westward over to Van Zandt and Henderson County, temperatures right around 99 degrees. And then as we head into deep East Texas, temperatures in the upper 90s at Henderson, Carthage, 97, Center, Nacogdoches, Lufkin, Hemphill, right around 97. Houston, Trinity County, also temperatures in the upper 90s. 98 at Crockett over in Anderson County, temperature right around 98 again for the high temperature. So the high pressure ridge is right here. It's just a little bit relaxed back to the west, but watch what happens as we head into the weekend. Kind of strengthens just a little bit, but not until we get past Sunday. That's why that little front just tries to drop in here Monday, but it sort of get pushed off to the east. So the ridge of high pressure aloft, that's air piling up on top of us all the way up to about 25, 30,000 feet. And then that air pushes down, and as it pushes down through compression, it warms and it squeezes out some extra degrees out of that. This little frontal boundary, a little area of low pressure here near Winnipeg, drops across the Great Lakes, drops this weak front right into East Texas on Thursday, and that's why we have that small chance of rain as the heat once again retreats. Chances are the heat will build back across the area again as we head toward the end of July and start of August. All right, forecast heat index starting Tuesday of next week. If it's up to 106 to 107, that's a heat advisory. So look for a possible heat advisory Tuesday. Then again, Wednesday with the heat advisory climbing close to 108 to 109. And I think Thursday there's also a chance for heat advisory with that heat index climbing back up to 106 to 107 across the area. Eye on the tropics, not much going on. We have a few showers, thunderstorms that have moved onshore near Corpus Christi or north of Corpus Christi. Otherwise, on our 7-day forecast, we're looking at temperatures that start off tomorrow morning at 75. And even though 99 is a little bit above average, and it's a hot 99, it's going to come with slightly less humidity. So I think it's a comfortable 99. Even Sunday up to 103 is manageable. I don't think we'll get a heat advisory Sunday. The humidity will probably be low enough that the air temperature and the heat index will be very close. But still, practice those hot weather rules of taking frequent breaks. Make sure that you're hydrating before you head outside, especially if you're going to be exercising on area lakes. One thing that a lot of folks don't really think about is that they're in the water, they're swimming, they think they're cool, but you're actually sweating, you're exerting, you're losing liquids from your body, so you need to remember to keep drinking water. Monday, isolated thunderstorm possible. The morning lows in the upper 70s. Daytime highs will be around 102 Monday. Then Tuesday morning, we're down to 79. And Tuesday afternoon, we're back up to 102 degrees again. I think right in this ballpark here where the humidity starts to creep up is where we start to see the possibilities of those heat advisories coming back. And ahead of the frontal boundary on Wednesday, look at this spike in the high temperature. This is a very similar setup to our temperatures a couple weeks ago or last week when we hit 106 degrees a couple days in a row. Well, this is a very similar setup there. 79 in the morning, mostly sunny skies, up to 106 by Wednesday afternoon. Then a few scattered thunderstorms with that front that descends into the area Thursday. But again, the front pushes down to about Interstate 20, kind of loses its strength and washes out. And so the heat returns by Friday back up to 104 degrees. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus and have a great weekend.